Okay guys, in this video tutorial today, I'm going to be teaching you how you can download some of the modules or packages that you'll be using in your Pydroid 3. Okay, so the first thing to do is to go ahead and open up your Pydroid app. Okay, so this is the formal code I wrote. So I actually tried writing to see if I'm going to be able to make use of a NumPy, one of the packages or one of the modules you can actually use with Pydroid 3. So when I actually wrote that and tried running it, it popped an error. Okay, like you can see, module not found error. Okay, so it simply means that no module named numpy was found in my directory. Okay, so to actually limit this kind of error from popping up, what you will do is to click on the three horizontal line icon to the top left and go to your pip. Click on your pip. Then here is where you can type in whatever line name you have to type. Then for a quick install, what you will do is to go to quick install by your right side and click on that. So it's going to display every available module or package as the case may be. So I have with me here matplotlib, numpy, pandas, pillow, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to be installing the first one that I tried using, which is the numpy. So I click on that. So what is telling me here is that there is a plugin, a prerequisite plugin that you use to install all of the packages that you want. So after installing the packages, you can go ahead to delete the plugin. Okay, but first you have to get the plugin. So you click on get plugin. It will take you to where you are supposed to install the plugin. So you click on install. Okay, so it's done installing right now. I mean, it's done downloading the repository plugin like I told you before. So it is actually installing it right now. So you just have to wait a little more time to get the plugin installed. Then we'll go ahead with the installation of the module. Okay, so finally our module has been our plugin has been installed. Okay, so the next thing to do is to go back and open up our numpy and try to install again. Okay, so you can see down below it is installing. Okay, so you can see it is currently installing numpy. So you just have to wait for a few minutes or a few seconds rather, as the you can see the complete symbol displayed there because it is done installing. If you check the last part of the right up, you will see successfully installed numpy version 1.21. okay, so go back again and let's see if our numpy array is going to be printed. Okay, so you click on run again. Wow, this time around we have our program successfully executed because we now have numpy installed in our directory. Okay, so this is how you go about installing all other module, all other directory, all other packages that you have to install in the course of you using the Pydroid 3 to do your Python programming activities. Okay, so we'll see in our next class. Take care.